Oh, um, these are 36 horsepower heads, okay? This area right here is really, really tight to the aluminum, to the valve cover rail, to the retainer. And a lot of times when I'm disassembling them, my tool that I have on my bench, uh, it's really hard to get the retainers off sometimes, you know. And sometimes I will, okay, go ahead and put a rag in here and just pop it with a hammer, and then the keepers will pop up, usually. You know, if they're like glued in there from old oil, you know, sometimes, well, they don't work. You know, so we'll check it out. I'm sure you've seen this done before. There's one, two. Anyway. Tiny little keepers. These are, I have more of these, so if I lose one, it's okay. But, yeah. But if you don't have extras, you got to keep an eye on these things. So they're not like a 3-groove or anything. They're kind of special. So, and let's see what I can do with this one here. There you go. Ooh, good keeper. There's my other keeper. There's my other one. Kind of look at the nastiness in that. Anyway, crusty. But this side, so, okay. There we go. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Another thing I'm going to share with you, why I'm taking this one apart, is the 36 horsepower heads that I'm doing. One of them is unusable. So, yeah, it took me a while to figure that out until I get up to this point, only because I was so busy doing other things and I got them blasted and everything, and you start taking a good look at them. And anyway, here, okay, there's the good one. It's in pristine condition. I mean, it's pretty darn nice. This is the other one, and we got, you see that? You see that down there? That's a huge frickin' crack between the two seats down there. Problem is, this was patched together at one time, and somebody got a hold of these. Anyway, I did this because I was gonna try to make it seal, and it's too far gone. You just can't do it, you know. You can't give people stuff like that. Yeah. This is what I was given. I'm not going to charge them anything for this head. Yeah. I'm just going to, take it as a loss, in a core head. So, anyway. I'm not a shade tree machinist. I try to do my best. So, anyway. So yeah, these things, they really crack bad. When they crack, they crack in all different kinds of places. Here's another 2 cracks I'll show you. See that right there? Okay, that means I would have to V that out, TIG it, and I've done that before. Okay, that's not really a huge deal. But anyway, it's just too far gone, man. This thing is, I could repair that, but all new seats. All new seats in the thing. Yeah, so. Anyway, yeah, it already surfaced it. Yeah. So. Not gonna do it. That thing is junk. So, hopefully this one's better. And, there's no cracks there. No cracks here. So. Got a little head start in there. Anyway, yeah, it's going to be another day before these 36ers are done. This is going to be the mate to this one. So, a lot better than this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Alright, like and subscribe if you could, please. I appreciate it. Thank you for viewing. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.